Hello, it's me again. I've seen a few posts lately on social media about how to get through the tutorial in the lift-off simulator, mainly for the Avata drones. Now, as a newbie, I've obviously gone through this as well. What I did, and it worked for me, I just did the first part of the tutorial just so I knew how the sticks worked. And what to expect when I placed an input on the sticks. Then, as a lot of people have said, it gets impossible and it gets frustrating and you think, oh, I can't do this, I'll never be able to fly manual. So what I did, I dumped the tutorial completely and I went straight into the free flight program in liftoff and taught myself how to do it. And I'll show you what I did. I'll go through it on the screen, and this is how I improved, and I now can fly manual to a certain extent. I'm getting there, but if you stick with that tutorial, it's going to drive you nuts. So this is what I did. So if you get to this screen in the liftoff sim, click on free flight. And the most popular one everyone goes to is the straw bale. It's quite good fun flying around the fields. You've got open fields and you can practice all your manoeuvres. This is the drone that I've found is closest to the Avata, so I use that one. But what I would recommend you do is go into the settings, go into flight controller settings and set your rates to the rates on the screen now. And make sure that you actually click on actual in the drop down menu. So they're your actual rates. Put those rates in. You can also put the same rates into your drone via the goggles menu. I found these rates to be very good for someone at my level. And then before you take off, change your camera angle. Now with my computer it's using the arrow buttons, and I come down to somewhere between 13 and 15 degrees. Then you can take off and just fly, just get used to what the controller does. You can fly around in circles, you can do figure eights, you can try and skim the ground. Just get used to the controller and what it does when you input. Go round obstacles, keeping an eye on the horizon all the time, making sure I'm not going to crash, which I nearly did then. And just practice and it will come, it will come. I then go back into the menu. My favourite one is Hanover now. I do like the Chernobyl one as well, but Hanover is quite good. Lots of obstacles there to fly through, flying between the buildings. Once again, make sure you change your camera angle. 13 degrees, 14 degrees this time. And just practice again. There's no fear, doesn't matter if you crash. It's the best way to learn, far better than using the tutorial in my opinion, because you really are teaching yourself and you're not having to follow instructions that some of them just seem impossible. and this is my favourite place for practicing split S, which I'm still trying to get to. Whether I'll do it in real life or not, I don't know, but it looks very scary. But that's it really, just keep practicing, have fun, skip the tutorial completely and just learn to fly in all the different environments. As I said, it doesn't matter if you crash, just start again and you'll learn much faster. So thank you for watching, and I hope that you continue to use the liftoff sim and have fun with it and don't get frustrated with it, and then hopefully go out and fly for real. I'll see you later. Bye.